Hey everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC with another awesome giveaway for the month of November. All right, we are back at it with another awesome giveaway for the month of November, and we do these to show our appreciation to everyone out there who watches our YouTube videos and supports us here at Rocky Mountain, because we couldn't do it without you guys. Now for this month, we got a great giveaway. We have teamed up with 100% Goggles to give away to 3 lucky separate winners a pair of the 100% Racecraft Goggle in the Roxbury colorway with the blue mirror lens. So it's a very cool looking goggle, 100% in my opinion, has some of the coolest colorways that are on the market. Now with the Racecraft Goggle, this is a premium goggle. You're gonna have triple layer face foam, outrigger system, tear off posts on the lens, removable nose guard. We actually have a great product spotlight where I talk about these in full detail, so give that a watch. But also what's great about these, what will come included as well, a separate clear lens. You will have a set of tear-offs that come in the package, and also you get this little carrying pouch as well to transport your goggles. Now you are probably wondering, what do you have to do to win? Well, it is very simple. 2 easy steps. You got to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and then you just got to comment below and let us know what it is about 100% goggles that you love so much, and that will enter you to win. Couple things to keep in mind. You got to be 18 years or older, and this contest will run from the 2nd through the 9th, and on the 9th we will select our 3 lucky winners. So make sure check back on that day to see if you have been selected. And that is it. That is our giveaway for the month of November. Again, from all of us at Rocky Mountain, we give you a giant thank you to everyone out there who supports us, because like I said earlier, we honestly couldn't do it without you guys. So make sure, get subscribed, comment below, check back on the 9th. I am Chase. We wish you luck.